How to add business to Google Maps 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add business to Google Maps in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and make sure you have already a Google account, and then you just have to search for business Google, and then you have to click on the first web link, get listed on Google Business Profile, and after that you just have to simply click on manage now. And after clicking on manage now, you have to just provide a business name like Rick's Bakery. Let's create a business with this name, and after that you have to click on if your business is online retail, local store, or service business. We're just clicking on the local store and clicking on next, and after that you just have to give the business category. So we'll just give the bakery options here and click on next, and you have to enter your business address. So we'll just uh, give the proper address from here. So let's just go with Mexico, not Mexico. Let's just business address as New Zealand. It's I'm just showing this on purpose, and after that you have to give the its street address, suburb, and city, and the postal code, and after that you have to click on next. Let's just get a New Zealand land address. So let's just generate a New Zealand address. So it finds the street address. So let's just give them this address, 1 Woodland Road. Let's just type that, 1 Woodland Road, that's New Zealand, and we can click on next, and then we have to click on none of this, and then we have to just provide a phone number. So let's just search for New Zealand phone number. This video is only for a demo purpose, so I'm just searching for a demo number for New Zealand. Let's just provide this number, 080092. So website is optional. Text message, we can click on WhatsApp or text message, and then click on next, and put your business on the map. Get discovered by people in your area. Respond the reviews of your business. Manage your business details across Google. Get news and tips. Get invitation. You can just check these fields and click on continue, and after that it will set up your business to Google Maps, and you are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.